Mark of Motoring Motivations, here with Enchantress, Christie's 2012 Mini Cooper Coupe JCW. We've done yet another enhancement or mod. So this time we went for a little more of the performance-oriented type of thing. We added a GP2, they call it the belly pan for a GP2. Fits all like the second gens, the R56, that series. Hers is an R58. We've added that, and it has the stock belly pans that run underneath the doors, and it has the GP2 rear diffuser that we've added, so we can make sure this Mini scoots along just a little bit quicker, a little bit smoother. But that's our latest mod. Just want to let you know. Thanks.